Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage sharing and reuse on Instagram. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! If you have a public account, another Instagram user may be able to create new reels, posts, or stories that reuse part of all of your published photos, videos, or reels in features like remix, sequence, templates, and stickers. At any time, you can turn off or allow reuse your content like your videos, reels, and photo across your entire account. So how to manage your reuse and sharing on your Instagram. It's simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just tap on the bottom right here on your profile. Now you can tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. You can just scroll down and you'll find on how others can interact with the section. There is an option sharing and reuse. You can just tap on that. So here's you can manage your content. You can allow people to share your content like your posts and real stories. If you don't want anyone can share your content, you can just unactive this toggle in here, and also on your notes, your posts here. So here's where you can manage all of your sharing and also reuse content on your Instagram. It's so simple, right? So that is how to manage your reuse and sharing on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.